update video to let you guys know where I am with VIP Kid. I believe I did a 30-day VIP Kid update. So I just wanted to come back to you guys 20 days later and let you know where I stand. So right now, I'm at 50 days. So a month and a half, about a month and a half, yeah. Um, yes, about a month and a half, a little bit over a month and a half. And I'm at 105 classes. I've taught 75 students. Um, let's see. I have all excellent feedback. I have 5 apples all the way through. I have about 24 comments. So 24 parents have left me feedback. And according to VIP Kid, let's see, that's at 24.0% here. So it's not a bad thing. It just means about 1 out of 4 of your students is leaving back feedback. And they want about, I think it's 25% if I'm not mistaken. Um, like I said, I have my TESOL VIP Kit certification. I have levels 2 through level 6 plus level 2 interactive, the trial and the MC trial 3.0, the global adventure, and I am looking to add more. I know the longer you teach, the more experience you have working for the company. They open up different doors for you. So I've been trying to do some other things. I think they have a VIP phonics, and they have some other things that I was interested in doing. And I was told that they are not doing it right now, or they don't have a need for more teachers in that position right now. So right now I am just opening up my slots. This is pretty good. 48 is pretty good. I had a really good week this week. This past week, um, I made somewhere between 600 and $700, and I didn't work that much. I don't want to say exactly how much, but somewhere in that little range. Yeah, about 600 to $700. Yeah. So that's not bad. I mean, I'm only 50 days in. At the beginning, it was very, very slow, and then it started to pick up about the first month, the first 30 days. It started to pick up a little bit. So I know it's only going to get better from now, and it's going to only going to get better from here. I'm excited about, where I am going with this company, and you know, I'm only been here for 50 days, so just imagine how it's going to be in 3 months. So I just wanted to let you guys know where I am and how I was doing. VIP Kid is still a good company. I still would recommend it. I'm going to put my referral code and link down in the description bar. So if you are interested in teaching for VIP Kid, let me help you. Like I said, I'm still rather new to this, but I can tell you what I did to get hired the first go round, and I can also tell you what to do to get those bookings up a little bit. Um, for some people, like I've said before, for some people it happens automatically the first week you're just getting booked. It might be from the way that you look, um, or it could be that you're just lucky, okay? But that hasn't been the case for me necessarily, but I am getting a few regulars to continue to book my classes. And out of those 48 slots that I have booked here, I have also regulars that I've taught before. So that's a good thing. I'm just getting myself out there, and I'm doing the best that I could do every time. I'm giving them a good lesson every time. I am just doing my best every time. Don't think that, just because you have 3 and 4 classes a day, that you don't have to give it your all. You need to give it your all so you can get those regulars back in your class. And that's how you build. That's how you build your business. Do the best that you can do with what you have right now. And another thing is yeah, right now I'm getting an average throughout the week about 4 classes a day, but on the weekend is where I have 10, 12 classes, so I definitely open up my Fridays, Saturdays, most Saturdays. Um, especially Saturday mornings, sometimes Saturday nights, and Sundays, early Sunday morning. And yeah, it's been working out well. Everything's kind of been balancing out. So if you guys are interested in signing up for VIP Kid, please let me help you. Like I said, I'm going to leave my referral link down below in the description box, and I will catch up with you guys later. Bye.